pavilion shack here almost a year to the day last year we did this hike, and I crashed my drone.
So makeup round 2.
This is redemption day.
Redemption day, Lago
Yep.
Sorapis.
Lago di Sorapis start point. We're going the difficult way. It's about 3 hours there to the lake, and then we'll take the easy way back. It's about 2 hours, much more flat than this pretty vertical challenge. A lot more people. Lago di Sorapis is nestled high in the Dolomites, near Cortina d'Ampezzo, one of the sites for the 2026 Winter Olympics. This stunning alpine lake boasts a mesmerizing turquoise hue, a result of finely ground rock particles suspended in water carried down from the surrounding glaciers. Just a couple of stud muffins.
Yep. I'll be a blueberry stud muffin. What flavor are you doing?
Definitely chocolate chunk.
Okay, yeah. Survived.
That was the hardest part of the hike by far. Several hundred feet of near vertical ascent.
Yep.
My heart rate was way up there.
Steep screen field that if you slipped, you'd fall a long way back down.
Yeah. So now we've got a pretty easy traverse over to the other side of this mountain in front of us, and we'll head down to the lake. Lago di Sorapis straight ahead of us. Looks like we're gonna get some good weather. The sun's poking out a little bit. Okay, so we made it to the refugio at the end of the trail.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go check out the lake now, and
beautiful roof down.
and get a couple drinks and some well-earned food. Okay, we just got on the easy trail back to the parking lot, leaving the refugio. Should take us about an hour 45, 2 hours tops to get back, just depending on how the mud and how slippery the rocks are. It took us about 3 hours to get to the refugio because we stopped to take videos, and it was quite challenging, the incline. So this way is much flatter, so we should make a lot better time. Okay, so I just realized that I've referenced the easy trail a few times without any sort of context. So the easy trail will be marked by 215, and it's fairly flat. There's a lot of kind of slippery rocks and roots you got to watch out for, but not a whole lot of up and down.
Follow the Congo line.
There you go. Follow the Instagrammers. Trail 213, however, is more challenging. I would say it's a moderate to, what do you think? Maybe advanced trail. So make sure you come prepared with the right footwear and waterproof attire if you try trail 213. Tip for doing the hike to Lago di Sorapis: really recommend doing the hard trail, aka trail 213, first on the way to the lake, and then on your way back taking the easy trail 215. Thank you to everyone for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a like and leave a comment if you did. See you next time.